Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business brand depth using smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place a brand visual that looks too sharp. I pause because depth creates trust in business design. I duplicate the layer for safety. Now I choose the smudge tool with a soft round brush. I lightly drag background tones inward. I stop and feel the softness appear. I reduce strength further because brand depth should whisper, not shout. I zoom in and blend transitions around shapes. I leave logos untouched. This respect matters. I zoom out and sense harmony. The brand now feels layered and premium. I add controlled smudge strokes behind secondary elements. I refine edges slowly.